Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99 doing. It is Thursday, January 16th, 2025, coming to you from mobile headquarters, and I just want to give a shout out to the XDC network for their friendship and their support on the 2025 Crypto Bull Run Road Trip, which I'll be starting within the next week. And speaking of the XDC coin, some of you don't know this, some of you might. The XDC coin is an RWA project, real world assets. If you don't know what real world assets are, it's something that you might want to become familiar with. And I'll leave that at that. Actually, the XDC coin is exploding over 10 cents into 12 cents. I think it was 14 cents this morning. And I was reminiscing on the fact that I bought my first tokens or coins in 2017, 2016, I forget. And it was at the pre-sale. And during the pre-sale, the only place where you could buy it was from their website, which was a brand new website. I'll just leave it at that. And I think the price was like $304, like 0.0004, or was it 302? I forget. But when I get on Telegram and start talking about it, no one believes me. I'm like, bro, I bought during the pre-sale. And but yeah, so take a look at it. I'm going to have the information below that you might want to look at on the XDC coin. And again, I want to say thank the XDC network for their friendship and support for the 2025 Crypto Bull Run Road Trip. They're retweeting all of my videos, which I appreciate. And I'm also going to do this. I'm going to put video number 1 below. A lot of people don't know this, how the phrase XDC for the win came into existence. XDC for the win is the old school way. Now it's the XDC network. But if you're interested how XDC for the win came into existence, I can say it. Yes, I did have an influence on that. But yeah, take a look at it below, video number 1. And again, XDC network, I love you. Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being a part of my crypto family. And you know I love you. Bye-bye.